Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to log into your FC Mobile account. Alright, let's begin. First, launch the FC Mobile game on your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. After completing the initial setup, the game will prompt you to sign in. Select your preferred platform, such as Google, Facebook, or Apple, and then enter your login credentials to access your account. If you are unsure which account you previously used, you can select any platform to continue. Once you reach the home menu, tap on the settings icon located at the top right corner. From there, open the Link Account tab. This section allows you to log in with the correct platform where your FC Mobile profile is stored. After signing in, the game will display a prompt asking if you want to switch to your previously created profile or continue with the current one. Simply select the profile you want to use, and your account will load successfully. So that's basically how you can log in to your FC Mobile account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.